Hi everyone, this is my fifth and last video on new technologies for my current Fort Hays class. This one is about being internet awesome, which is Google's sort of branded take on cyberbullying and sort of internet proper usage. So all you have to do is go to beinternetawesome.com on Google, and it'll be the first link, and then just hit begin Interland, and it will pull up their sort of, as they say, a magical place where students can learn these confidence building skills as they work through these sort of islands. So I'll spend the next few minutes from a student perspective just working through one of the islands, I guess you would say. So this one of the 4 towers is the Tower of Treasure, where you secure your secrets. So the good thing about this site is that it's super interactive for students, and it'll keep them engaged. And I'm sure there's a wide variety or age range of students that would enjoy this sort of site. So it has a perfect balance of, gaming, but then like talking about the importance of keeping your messages and stuff like that safe. So like I'm having fun playing this right now, and I'm sure there are many students in your classes that would also find this enjoyable. So I figure I might as well try to finish the little venture up. So then as you play through, you'll get achievements and things like that with little messages that pop up like this. So this is just one little game. They have many other ones that are similar, but not exactly the same. So I'll show you a couple more of those. I'll pause this game. So I'll take us back to the home. Let's check out Kindness Kingdom. So I know you can't hear the music in the background in my headphones right now, but it's kind of a matching sort of intense sort of melody that I'm hearing. So with this one, it's again a sort of game that you have to work through and avoid certain things. So for a lot of my kids, it's helpful for them to, instead of me talking about these sort of basic skills, I think when they play it, they have more ownership on their own. So again, you get achievements for things like being a positive influence and stuff like that. So just another thing that kids can use when there's some downtime. So if you have any questions about this or how to implement it well or during what times, just let me know and I'll get back to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.